What's up, Fave Trip family? So today we're going to do our first ever unboxing of Metric Time. The name can be kind of misleading, so besides being a clock, it's a pretty cool product that we want to share with you. So enjoy. So you know what they say, big things come in small packages or small things come in big packages. This is definitely one of those cases when you have a big package, but here you're going to see very small item in there. Just this item itself and a few wires. It really didn't need this big package. That's a waste of a lot of trees. So we're gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi here. And boom, it's supposed to show us our Facebook followers, and we got 0. Correction, we got lots of followers. So every time you like our page, it gives us a notifications. It works also with YouTube as well. So you can see we're pretty low on YouTube, so show us some love on YouTube at My Fave Trip. Stop by the store and check this bad boy out. Peace.